A song by AJ Raphael. It's called I Just Want You, and I'd like to dedicate this song to my girl, Renalyn Cruz. Okay, we're good. Something I got to say to you, but I'm so afraid of what you do. Oh, 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 oh. I'll just admit this to you now. I'm stuck on you like glue somehow. Oh, 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 oh. Wanna feel so cold inside. Wanna feel the warmth that I feel with you all the time. Surrounding me just like the weekend. You're the one who makes me sing. Help me find myself like how I found you. Oh, 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 oh. I need you so we can live happily too. Oh, 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 oh. I just want you. I just want you. I wanna go out with you tonight, a picnic with candlelight. I might just hold you tight. Tell me you want to be my queen. Now that's okay, a princess queen. Just my side, I promise I'll be there tonight. Yeah. Whoa, I wanna keep you warm with this wine. And in the summer, what's on the beach sounds nice. I need you now. Talking on the phone for hours at a time. 'Cause baby, I just want you to be mine. Oh my, help me find myself like how I found you. Oh, 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 oh. I need you so we can live happily too. Oh, 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 oh. I just want you. I just want you. I wanna be your Valentine, your Christmas wish, your pickup line. I wanna be the one who knows about your friends and foes, all the TV shows you love. Look above the stars.